Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download the Zoom app on your PC or laptop. This is an essential tool if you need to join virtual meetings, attend online classes, or connect with colleagues and friends remotely. Let's walk through the complete installation process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us/download. This is Zoom's official download page where you can get the desktop client for your computer. Once the page loads, you'll see several download options available for different Zoom products and services. Look for the option labeled Download 64-bit. This is typically the version you'll want for most modern computers as it offers better performance and compatibility. Go ahead and click on it to start the download process. After clicking the download button, shift your attention to the right panel of your browser window. Here you'll see your download progress displayed in the download button area. This gives you a visual indication that the file is actively downloading to your computer. The Zoom installer is relatively small, so this shouldn't take too long. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds while the download completes. The exact time will depend on your internet connection speed, but it's usually quite quick. Once the download finishes, you'll see the file appear in your browser's download manager. Next, click on the download button at the upper right corner of your browser. This will open your downloads folder or show you a list of recent downloads. From here, you can access the Zoom installer file that you just downloaded. Locate the file named Zoom Installer and double-click on it to begin the installation process. This action launches the setup wizard that will install Zoom on your computer. You'll need to wait for a few seconds while the installer initializes and prepares the necessary files. During this time, the installer is extracting files and setting up Zoom on your system. Just be patient and let the process complete without interruption. Once everything is ready, a message will pop up on your screen confirming that the installation was successful. This means Zoom has been properly installed on your PC or laptop and is ready to use. Finally, click Done to close the installer window. And that's it. You now have Zoom installed on your computer and can start joining or hosting meetings right away. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.